Ang Knowledge Channel Foundation Incorporated at Department of Education ay nagsagawa ng Online Teachers Conference noong July 15 at 16. Mga teachers, principals, schools administrators, aspiring teachers, parents, and care providers of children ang dumalo sa conference, kung saan makakakuha ng 5 CPD points ang mga teachers.
We in the Lopez Group believe in empowering you, our dear teachers, because you are the ones who plant the seeds of wisdom and develop the character of the younger generation.
For 25 years, the Knowledge Channel Foundation has been dedicated to enriching the learning experiences of Filipino students through media and technology.
Thank you for taking steps to improve your skills. Everyone has room to improve. Just want to tell you the message of our president na alagaan ko daw ang ating mga teachers. So mabuhay po kayo. Have some great sessions ahead.
Sa pagpasok ng school year 2024-2025, sama-sama nating isulong ang patuloy na pag-angat ng kalidad ng edukasyon na natatanggap ng ating mga kabataan.
Every student is unique and deserves an opportunity to learn. Hence, it is crucial that teachers are provided with strategies to recognize and assist learners who might have difficulty learning.
Nagsilbing resource speaker sina Dr. Stephen Ko para sa session ng Mathematics at paggamit ng Mathdali sa pagtuturo noong Day 1. Sa Day 2, si Michelle Agas naman ang tumalakay ng reading and listening modules.
Nadagdagan ang aking kaalaman kung paano may tuturo ang mathematics ng may sigla. Natutunan talaga na mag-aaral. Salamat, Knowledge Channel!
Abangan ang mga susunod na conference sa Knowledge Channel social media platforms. Para sa latest updates, bumisita lamang sa knowledgechannel.org.